Hey cookies, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to our channel. It's been a while since I posted any videos on my channel, and from now on I'll be posting some videos. Please do watch and subscribe to our channel, that's Cooking Tales. So let's get started. So today I'm going to share a simple yet delicious cake recipe which is a favorite for 90s kids. So let's check out this recipe, that how it's made. For preparing the batter, we need to take a dry and clean bowl. Into it add 3 medium-sized eggs that should be at room temperature. Then add half cup of sugar, that's powdered sugar, with the help of a blender or an hand whisk. Mix well until the sugar gets dissolved and the eggs becomes a little bit fluffier. Once the sugar is completely dissolved and our eggs become lighter, add 1 teaspoon of pineapple essence. You can add vanilla essence too. Then add a quarter cup of vegetable oil. Again blend well until it becomes more fluffier. When the eggs are more lighter and becomes pale in color, with the help of a sieve, add 1 and a quarter cup of Maida or all-purpose flour. That quarter cup comes to 3 tablespoons. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of baking soda and quarter teaspoon of salt, and sift all the ingredients into the bowl. Now with the help of a spatula or a ladle, fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture and combine well. Once the mixture is completely combined, take half cup of milk. The milk should be at room temperature. Add the milk gradually to the mixture and fold well until the mixture becomes into a smooth and silky batter. Now our mixture is ready, that's our cake batter is ready. Let's set it aside and start the process of baking. Here I'm going to bake the cake in a pan. For that I have lined the pan with a parchment paper with some butter on it. Now pour the cake mixture completely into the pan and give a tap to the pan so that the air bubble goes out. Now heat a tawa and place your pan on it. Close the lid and bake this for 30 to 35 minutes on low flame or until it's completely baked. While our cake is getting baked, let's start preparing a sugar solution for our honey cake. For that, heat a pan and add half cup of sugar and half cup of water to it and boil this mixture until the sugar gets dissolved completely. Once the sugar is dissolved completely, switch off the flame and add 2 tablespoons of honey to the mixture and mix well. Now your sugar solution is ready. Transfer this into a bowl and keep it aside for later use. Again heat a pan and add 3 tablespoons of mixed fruit jam. Here you can use any brand, that's fine. Heat this on a low flame until the jam is completely melted. Now your jam is melted, transfer this into a bowl. Now into this melted jam add 2 teaspoons of desiccated coconut and mix well. This desiccated coconut is available in any supermarkets nowadays. After 30 to 35 minutes, check on the cake and do the toothpick test. You'll get to know. And yeah, our cake is completely baked. Transfer the cake onto a plate and rest it to cool down completely. Once the cake is completely cooled down, remove the parchment paper from the bottom. Look at our cake, how soft and spongy it is. And now let's start decorating our cake. With the help of a fork or a skewer, poke holes into the cake and gently start pouring the sugar syrup all over the cake, and cake absorbs the syrup instantly. Soak the cake completely in the syrup. Then gently pour the jam mixture over the cake and spread it with the help of a spatula. And your cake is ready. You can decorate it as you wish. Here I had some buttercream frosting with me, so I am decorating with it with the help of a star nozzle. So I'm just giving a small decoration. You can do it as you wish. Sprinkle some desiccated coconut again over the cake, and yeah, your delicious and yummy honey cake is ready to be served. Just look at the texture, how soft and spongy it is. And yeah, if you like this recipe, please give me a big thumbs up and share among with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Meet you on another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.